Welcome back to Terrific Tables. Today we build a mobile lumber rack. I'm going to build this thing as fast and as nasty as possible because I've got other stuff I've got to do. And we've got a lot of wood in here, and I got a lot of wood on the floor over here. So let's get it. Got 8 2x4s here, and to make it mobile, got 4 casters.
L'amour tendre, l'amour qui chante doucement dans mon cœur, l'amour sans logique à la raison.
Well, pretty simple and inexpensive. I think the wood was like 26 bucks, 27 bucks. Casters were probably $8 each off Grizzly. It's a little shaky, but I'll just add some more screws to it. Maybe some longer ones. Anyways, happy building.
That was easy.